Hey friends, welcome back to the cabin, and today's video is going to be about the tornado that we had come through and also an update on our property. For my friends that don't know, we actually had an EF3 tornado come through right over the property about 2 weeks ago. The whole scenario has been one huge miracle, one right after another. Now, right here at the cabin, I was home alone with my little Yorkie, and we knew that we had a tornado warning. There was a lot going on in the news, in the local weather, and when they said that it was in our area, you prepare, but you still think that and pray that you don't take a hit from it. Well, we did. My little Yorkie and I just hunkered down in the best place in the cabin that we thought we could be. I don't have a storm shelter. I've been considering one for a while, and it's pretty much a top priority now. So after going through this, the cabin took a beating, but the cabin is built so strong, and it's tied together not like a stick-built house. It's tied together much differently. It is actually logs that are locked in together at the corners. Now, that's not to say that it is indestructible, because it is. It's man-made. It's very destructible. But the cabin withstood the brunt way more than I would ever have imagined. The windows took huge beatings. We didn't lose any windows, but the debris that was just showered, banging on the windows. I knew any second we were going to lose windows, but we didn't. And if you look at the lay of the land around us, you look at what happened to our neighbors, our direct neighbor directly next to us, thank God we're not home, had just put a brand new mobile home in about 2 months ago, and it was literally gone. There was nothing there but a few cinder blocks in the pad where it was at. It was gone. And if you look at the path from some of the drone footage, it bounced over the cabin and the barn. And it's just a miracle. It was absolutely the hand of God. I have shed tears of thankfulness more than one time over that, because there was just no other explanation. God placed his hand of mercy and safety over the cabin and the barn, and our animals were in the barn because of the bad weather, so they were protected. Another neighbor, another miraculous story of how they were spared and no lives lost. The ones that were home. The ones that weren't home lost everything. The ones that were home were spared, even though it was a direct hit. So God is good and God is merciful, and we've been cleaning up, got most of the cleanup done. We lost some outbuildings, material stuff, nothing. A good bit of it's going to be covered under insurance. Some damage to the barn, but it's really insignificant. It can be fixed. So we're just pleased, we're grateful, we're thankful to God for the miracles. So and then now I want to just kind of carry through. I've got some footage of some of the progress on our property down in southwest Mississippi. We've had some roadblocks here and there, some timing with some things that people could do, or the time that we could be there to get things done, and then a lot of rain in between, so things have been progressing kind of slow, but we are finally to the point that we can move there and bring the animals, and we've got the camper there, and you'll see that, things that you have to do to get ready to build again. And this is a monumental task for us to do at this stage in our life, but we feel like that God has led us to this step, and that where God guides, he provides. And I can say that we have wonderful family that are so eager for us to be close to them, a daughter and son-in-law and grandchildren, that they have gone above and beyond to help us any way that they can. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm just going to let you enjoy some of the footage from some of the progress, and I'll see you at the end. I wanted to jump in real quick to remind you that if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you come on board with us and be a part of this adventure. And when you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit your notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on all the great content that's coming up. And also, today's video, please remember to hit the thumbs up.